This will go around me. A little push here.
That felt nice.
Drop that shoulder there. Alright, so push into my hands here. Good. And a little bit harder on the count of 3, as hard as you can go. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that was awesome.
Perfect. Alright, big breath in. Want that all the way out. Good. And then one more right here. Stare.
Oh. Oh.
Those are beautiful. Nice, relax there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And going down.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. There we go. Take a deep breath in, exhale out. Deep breath in, exhale out. One more time, deep breath in, exhale out. Good. Bring your arms out by your side. So I'm gonna bring my arms up and over, or as much as we can.
Yeah, I'm a big guy.
I know, you're fine. Put your hand, bring your arms up also.
Like this?
Yep. And come over mine, and come down like that.
Like that?
We're gonna lean you back a little bit.
Okay.
I got you.
You got
Squeeze
me?
your elbows together.
Halfway through.
Yeah.
Holy. Yeah, man.
Give yourself a hug here. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to have you take a deep breath in. I'm going to start bringing you down on the table.
Yeah.
As I bring you down, exhale all the way out for me, okay?
So breathe in and exhale, right?
Yep, breathe in, exhale out.
Oh! Excuse me. Holy shit.
Relax, relax, relax.
That was...
There we go, how'd that feel?
It actually almost hurt at first, and then it started to feel a little better.
Good. Alright, so we're going to start in that cervical thoracic junction here. So we're going to do a T2 on that left side here.
Oh my gosh.
We're going to go to T1 on the right. There we go. And then you feel how that just opens everything up from there. Good. Okay. I'm going to have you take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good. That was moving real easy there. All right, one more time. Deep breath in and out. There we go. There we go. Good. There it was. Flip to the other side.
I forgot how I was laying already.
There it was. Lay flat on your back. Okay. Good. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna have you stand up.
Okay.
And put your hands over mine. Yep. Lean back to me. Squeeze your elbows together. There we go. Felt how that released?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Alright, I want you to take a deep breath in. And exhale out. Okay.
That one.
Alright, so now we're going to use the Y strap.
Okay.
This is that manual decompression.
Oh my gosh.
So we're going to go ahead, we're going to start with the adjustment. I start at that cervical thoracic junction here. We're going to do a T3 on the left. There we go. Drop down to a T1 on the right. Good. And that just opens everything up right in the beginning there, taking pressure off the nerves for you. Okay, I'm gonna have you take a deep breath in, exhale out. Good. One more time, deep breath in, and exhale out. There we go. Lean back, elbows together. Good. That already was nice and cleared out. So I'm gonna have you take a seat right here. What I want you to do, I want you to take a deep breath in, and exhale out. Good. I'm gonna have you come on up. I just going all the way down.
Oh, wow. Next up is Dr. Gregory Johnson.
Okay, so just breathe through your nose, Scott. With your left ear. There you go.
Oh my God.
Yes, sir. I just need to distract you for a split second. I need to keep breathing. Deep breaths now. Let me have you. I got you.
Here. Good. Now breathe in. Hold it in. Good. Relax. Okay. Now I'm going to come up here. And he liked us so much too, he sent his wife in. So she's coming in a little bit. Good. So we're going to get this right here. Relax. Good. A little one there. Okay, now let's go this side. That's pretty tender right there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
That was good. I feel all right?
Yeah.
Let's go the other way now. So I'll go here.
I'll get it right one of these times.
That's what everybody says. All right, nice and easy right here. One more. Perfect. All right, now. Good. Now keep this nice and relaxed here. Come right here. Nice and easy. Good.
I think that was the best one yet.
There you go. If you like that one, be sure to press the like button. We're going to get this side. And if I get this side, you have to follow. Ooh. In and out for me. Good. Good. Again. Good. One more. Good. Now breathe in and hold it in. Very good. Now turn on yourself in the surrounding tissues. Take pressure off of the nerve roots, relieving the symptoms. Okay, we're going to come this way now. Keep this nice and relaxed here. Very good. Good. One more. Very good. Okay, now go the other way. Same thing on this side. That feel okay?
Oh, yeah.
Right? So 2 weeks ago we were in the ER. Today we're doing some manipulation treatment, exercises, and everything feels good.
I always do my hands over here.
Yeah, everybody does. That's all right. All right, nice and easy here. Very good. Little one in there. Good, again. Good, now breathe in, hold your breath in. Good, relax. That feel all right? Mm-hmm. Good. Relax the shoulders here. He's come in before. You came in for your shoulder, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. How did you feel after we worked on that?
Great. I was able to get back working out with him.
Good. Perfect. Couldn't hear him. He said it was good. It was great. He was able to get back to working out. Good. All right. Relax right here. Let the shoulder just relax here. Good. Perfect. Let's do the same thing here. Good. To your shoulder, good. We're gonna bring this here, bend the knee. Good, keep that right there. There. Here, good. Cross here. Hold that, good. All right. Good, relax here. He's a little bit tender right there. Good. That feel all right?
Yeah, that's my favorite one.
He's smiling over here. All right, now go this way. That was good. That was perfect. Good movement there. When did all this start?
Saturday.
Saturday. So it's been, today is Thursday. So it's been a good 4 or 5 days for him. Good. Have you worked out since then?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It just got worse and worse.
Good. That side moving already. Good. Okay, on your back. That felt okay too, right? Mm-hmm. That side moved a lot easier than the other side. Good. Okay, so we're gonna get the hip here. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, relaxed. Good. One more here.
If you made it to the end of the video, guys and girls, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more chiropractic content.